So after installing exam, now we need to install our code editor. Let me grab my virtual machine here, which is Sublime, which you are going to use to write code. Okay, so Google Sublime and go to the website. Okay, and click here to download it. I already downloaded it, so I will go to my folder right here. Didn't mean to do that. So I'm here in my folder. It should be something like that. And you know, it's really easy to install like any other program. Just take a couple of seconds. This is kind of slow because I'm on my virtual machine. And yeah, then install it and see next, next, and install. Yeah, finish. Okay, so if I look it up right here, it didn't show up and I don't know why. It should be right here. So let me go to my C drive and I will grab it from there. Program files, Sublime text 3, and click on test. Come on. Yep, there you go. If this left window right here didn't show up, you have to go to view sidebar, you know, and click over here would be show open files, and this will open up this this left window right here. Let me hide it and I will show it again. Okay, our open files will just show up right here. It's kind of helpful and nice. So this is it for the setup. Yeah, the next one we will start coding right away. So see you on the next one.